Hello dear students. Today we will do worksheet 3 of chapter 4 and first question for worksheet 3 is arrange in ascending order. So to arrange the fraction in ascending order, first step is if the fractions are in mixed form, we have to change it into improper fractions. So here the first fraction is 1 into 1 by 2. This is the mixed number. So first of all we have to change it into improper fraction, and for make it improper we have to do 2 ones are 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2. Next one is improper, so write as it is. Next is 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2 is 17, that is 17 by 5, and last one is improper. So to arranging the number in ascending order, the first rule is to change mixed number into improper fractions. That is the mixed number 1 into 1 by 2. So change it into improper, that is 2 ones are 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2. 11 by 6 as it is because this is improper. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17 by 5 and 7 by 3. Now all the fractions are improper. So the next step is we have to find the LCM of the denominator. The first denominator is 2, the second one is 6, then 5, and the last one is 3. We have to find the LCM of the denominators. To find the LCM, first we have to divide by the first prime number, that is 2, because this 2 and 6 is divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 3s are 6. 5 is not divisible by 2, so write 5 as it is and 3 also as it is. Now this 3 and 5 is not divisible by 2, so divide it by the next prime number, that is 3. 3 ones are 3, 5 as it is, 3 ones are 3. Next we have to divide it by 5 because 5 is divisible by only 5. 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 5 ones are 5, this is 1. Now LCM 2 multiply 3 multiply 5, that is 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So write the LCM here. I think up to here this is clear to you. Now the next step is, first step is to change the improper part, to change the mixed number into improper fraction. Second one is the LCM of the denominators, and then write this LCM here. Now the next step is we have to divide this 30 by this first denominator, that is 2. 2 15s are 30 because 15 2s are 30, so 2 15s are 30. Multiply this 15 by here. 15 3s are 45. Now 6 5s are 30, 11 5s are 55, 5 6s are 30, 17 6s are 102, 3 10s are 30, 7 10s are 70. मीन्स हमें सबसे पहले जितने भी डिनोमिनेटर्स हैं उनकी टेबल्स से 30 को डिवाइड करना है, और उनकी टेबल में 30 जितने ज़्यादा आ रहा है उसको ऊपर न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. नाउ वी हैव द नंबर्स 45 55 102 एंड 70. फॉर असेंडिंग मीन्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू राइट द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. असेंडिंग मीन्स कहीं पर भी असेंड मीन्स चढ़ना. तो हम जब भी कहीं चढ़ रहे हैं तो सबसे पहले हमें सबसे पहली सीढ़ी पे चढ़ना होगा, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट पे, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट पे. तो सबसे छोटा नंबर यहाँ पे 45 है. तो 45 की जगह पे जो हमारा फ्रैक्शन है उससे पहले हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन इज 1 by 2. Next number is 55. So write here 11 by 6. After 55, 70. So write here 7 by 3, and the last one is 3 into 2 by 5. So this is the ascending form of this number. Now we will do the second question, that's arrange in descending order. This is the reverse of ascending, बिकॉज असेंड मीन्स चढ़ना, डिसेंड मीन्स नीचे उतरना. तो नीचे जब हम उतरते हैं तो सबसे पहले लास्ट नंबर पे, फिर उसके बाद नीचे आते हैं. तो इसमें हमें इससे उल्टा करना होगा. इसमें यहाँ पे कोई भी नंबर मिक्स्ड में नहीं है, तो इट मीन्स हमारा सम जो है वो हमें अभी यहीं से स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. सबसे पहले हम डिनोमिनेटर्स का एलसीएम लेंगे. 10, 15, 6 and 30. Now this 10 and 30 is divisible by 2, so divide it by 2. 2 5s are 10. 15 as it is, because 15 is not divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. Now 2 15s are 30. Now this 5, 3 and 15 is not divisible by 2, so think about the next prime number, that is 3. This 3 and 15 is divisible by 3, so divide it by 3. 5 as it is, because 5 is not divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. Now this 5 is divisible by only 5, so we divide it by next prime number, that is 5. 5 1s are 1. 5 1s are. हमें ये प्रोसेस वहाँ तक करना है जब तक हर नंबर के नीचे 1 1 नहीं आ जाता. और जो मेन चीज़ ध्यान रखनी है, हमें यहाँ पे जब एलसीएम निकाल रहे हैं तो सभी प्राइम नंबर को यूज़ करना है. जैसे 2 3 5 7, नेक्स्ट जो है वो 11. हम इसमें डिवाइड करते हुए कभी भी इसको 4 से नहीं डिवाइड करेंगे, 6 से नहीं करेंगे, 9 से नहीं करेंगे, बिकॉज दे आर द कंपोजिट नंबर. और जब भी हम एलसीएम निकाल रहे हैं तो हमें प्राइम नंबर से ही इसको डिवाइड करना है. अब हमारा जो एलसीएम है वो 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 5. 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 30. कॉन्सिडेंटली ये भी हमारा क्या आ गया, 30 ही है एलसीएम. नाउ 10 3s are 30 and 3 3s are 9. 15 2s are 30. 7 2s are 14. 6 5s are 30. 5 5s are 25. 30 1s are 30 and this is 1 1s are 1. Now descend means सबसे बड़ा पहले, तो यहाँ पे 25 इज ग्रेटर, सो टू राइट डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर, राइट फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन इज 5 by 6, देन 14 means 7 by 15, 9 means 3 by 10 and the last one is 1 by 30. अगर हमें इसी को असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना है तो फर्स्ट नंबर पे हमारा होगा 1 by 30, then 3 by 10, next 7 by 15 and next one is 5 by 6. I think both ascending and descending order are clear to you.